Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so setup moves quickly. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the latest iOS and signed into the same Apple ID you want on the HomePod Mini. Once done, plug the HomePod Mini into power and keep it near your router and device, about 2 to 3 meters. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone and have the Wi-Fi password handy. This prepares you to initiate the automatic pairing and network provisioning. You now trigger the pairing by holding your iPhone close to the HomePod Mini. A setup card appears. Tap Setup to proceed. During the guided flow, choose the room, enable Siri settings, decide on personal requests, and allow analytics if you want diagnostics sent to Apple. Then, when the HomePod asks to join a network, confirm the Wi-Fi network shown. The HomePod automatically inherits your iPhone's network credentials, so you don't type the password again, which speeds You finish setup when the HomePod Mini shows a pulsing white light and plays a confirmation chime. Test Siri and play a track to confirm streaming works. Next, open the Home app to verify the device status and install any firmware updates offered. Updates resolve many connectivity issues. If the HomePod fails to access the internet, restart your router, toggle Wi-Fi on your iPhone, and unplug then replug the HomePod. This power cycle often clears DHCP or handshake problems and restores normal connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.